If you own a real estate company, what's your job? It's to recruit, train, retain, and upgrade your agents. Constantly be getting them to produce more and more and get rid of the dead wood at the end of the day. I'm Bob Loeffler with fearlessagentrecruiting.com, and I can help you do that. So recruiting producing agents, that's the job of every company owner. I can help you do that. Retraining those agents to be very productive, that's what I do all day long. I can be your in-house trainer for free. Then there's retaining quality agents, producing agents. I can help you with that. And then there's upgrading those agents, making them better and getting the dead wood off of the bottom. If you are not recruiting as many producing agents as you wish you were, and you're open to the idea of having some help with that, please call me today at 480-385-8810 and let's have a chat. Or you can go to fearlessagentrecruiting.com and we're going to make you a fearless recruiter. Thanks.